Welcome to the Daily Story channel. If you enjoy the story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Queen Dulcia's kingdom was known for its delicious sweets and treats. One day, the sweetness began to disappear and her people were worried. Determined to restore the sweetness, Queen Dulcia set out on a journey and soon discovered a magical portal that led to the enchanted Candylands. As she stepped through the portal, Dulcia found herself in a wondrous land made entirely of candy. The trees were made of cotton candy, the rivers flowed with chocolate, and the flowers were sugar-coated. She marveled at the sight, but knew she had to find a way to restore the sweetness to her own kingdom. Dulcia soon encountered a giant gingerbread man who guarded the path. He told her that to restore her kingdom's sweetness, she must solve 3 riddles. The first riddle was, what has keys but can't open locks? Dulcia thought for a moment and answered, a piano. The gingerbread man smiled and let her pass. Further along the path, Dulcia met a licorice dragon. The dragon's riddle was, what runs but never walks? Dulcia smiled and answered confidently, a river? The dragon nodded in approval and allowed her to continue her journey. As she neared the heart of Candyland, Dulcia met a candy cane fairy. The fairy's riddle was, what has a heart that doesn't beat? Dulcia paused, thinking deeply. Finally, she answered, an artichoke. The fairy giggled, clapped her hands, and granted Dulcia passage to the Candy Palace. Inside the Candy Palace, Dulcia found a golden candy heart. The heart spoke to her, saying that it held the magic to restore her kingdom's sweetness. She thanked the candy heart and promised to use the magic wisely. The heart then transported her back to her kingdom. Dulcia returned to her kingdom with the magical candy heart. She used its power to restore the sweetness to her land. The people rejoiced as their beloved treats and sweets were revived, and Dulcia was hailed as a hero. A grand celebration was held in honor of Queen Dulcia's bravery and wisdom. The kingdom was filled with music, dancing, and delicious treats. Dulcia knew that the magic of the candy heart would always keep her kingdom sweet and happy.